It does not matter if you love a man or a woman or somebody from your own sex or the opposite sex. Like if characters like this make people uncomfortable, because I want people to see and understand, because it's just about perception. See, to be honest, it came as a total surprise. I had no idea. I just say a little honestly. So I had no idea whatsoever. Absolutely, we are against plagiarism.
The first thing first, how has it been so far? I mean, your shows are releasing, I think, in between, like when the lockdown was not there, you were shooting also, even during the pandemic, and one of the very interesting short film with Richa Chadda that also released last year. So
Yes,
how
yes.
has it been so far?
It's been rather nice. It's been very nice. Nothing to complain. As you rightly said, right out of the pandemic, I was fortunate enough to shoot, go and live in a bio bubble, shoot. And, even during the lockdown, during the lockdown, kya वापस हम lockdown में ही है, it's like.
हाँ, एक्चुअली
we've
लास्ट
come
ईयर भी हम लोग
basically.
कह रहे थे कि मास्क लगाओ, इस बार भी अभी इसी महीने भी वही
हाँ,
बात बोल
मतलब
रहे हैं।
अप्रैल में हम यही थे, घर में यही कर रहे थे, और इट्स
आज के डेट में भी वही कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, वही कर रहे हैं, एग्जैक्टली यही अप्रैल और यही टाइम, यही सब चल रहा था। सो या वी आर स्टिल राइट देयर। तो हाँ, आई मीन इट्स बीन वेरी नाइस यार। आरती के साथ भी पिछले साल जब हमने काम, लॉकडाउन था तो उस दौरान हमने घर से ही काफी चीजें की थी। सो वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स वी डिड वाज आल्सो दैट शॉर्ट फिल्म। और यस, leading to his story, it's all been very nice. It's all been thankfully safe and sound also. So yeah, right now excited for his story.
Story is a homosexual love story, and you are playing the leading man, one of the leading man of the story.
Yeah.
There are, and considering the fact that LGBTQ community is underrepresented in our mainstream, and with this kind of shows, this kind of stories, we will get to see more, know more about their life, about their story, or probably their
awareness. Absolutely.
right?
What you're saying is
As a leading man of the what are the but what are the responsibility that you felt as a leading man of the show?
See, the most important thing is for it to be represented in a right light, in the way it should be. It does not matter if you love a man or a woman or somebody from your own sex or the opposite sex. The feelings, what you feel, are as natural, as organic, and as deep. So just responsibly tell a story about two men being in love and dealing with the society at the same time. So yes, we had to be responsible, and the show and the makers were very responsible. That's why I got onto the show, and also the team, people, how the scenes were written, how the story is represented, how it's told. The aesthetics with which they wanted to say a story like this was something which I liked on the script level. Is how I got on board.
After playing a gay character.
See, I haven't really thought of it. Matlab, if I get any kind of character, I would jump on it and do it best to my capacity. And then, yes, I mean, the whole getting stereotyped issue is everywhere, not just here in the West also. But then I think at the end of the day, it's in the actor's hand to pick and choose however hungry you are to do work and to do good work. It's always in your hand to come up with always something different, or try to do something different, and not get stereotyped. And I think I'm never afraid of doing a part or a character like this, which is brave. And I like if characters like this make people uncomfortable, because I want people to see and understand, because it's just about perception and conditioning. So I'm very comfortable playing these parts, and I'm not worried about being stereotyped, actually. Yeah. And everybody is playing these kind of parts, so yeah, वो है नहीं, मतलब अभी वो थोड़ा कम हो रहा है stereotype होने वाला. the entire
No,
thing.
हम लोग चाहते हैं, no, हम लोग बिल्कुल चाहते हैं कि कम हो जाए, and more this kind of stories are being told so that the misconception and misrepresentation of this community should go away,
Yes,
and we embrace more, and we so that is one of the way to, build a inclusive society also, right? I mean,
exactly. Have content which is inclusive, which talks about everybody. So absolutely, yes, I definitely agree with what you're saying.
Hmm. But another thing that I have to ask you, right? And
Yeah,
I mean, on one hand, it is your choice to answer and not to answer. But
huh,
then I will appreciate if you answer the question.
yeah,
The first poster came out. There was a
hmm.
controversy around it
Right, right.
because of the plagiarism, right?
See, to be honest, it came as a total surprise. I had no idea. I'll just say a little on it. So I had no idea whatsoever. Absolutely, we are against plagiarism, and all credit to whosoever has made that original post. It's beautiful. And yeah, बिल्कुल भी idea नहीं था. Least expected it, and apologies have been done, and all of that. Makers have done that, so I think we're kind of over it. But I had no idea. Came as a surprise, total surprise.
Yeah, yeah. But I just hope that I think we all hope that from next time this kind of thing never happens, and plagiarism is
Absolutely,
certainly
yes,
not something that
absolutely,
can
yeah,
be.
absolutely. Like it's very unfortunate. Nobody wants. Everybody is so sensitive about their work, the work they do, put in so much time and effort, and doing it.
Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
absolutely not cool for sure. So yes, I think it must have been taken care of.